Hello friends, this is Kaushik. Welcome to my channel Banker's Place. So today I have given the second mini mocks for ESIC UDC prelims 2022. So this is my marks. Here it is. So I have scored 15 out of 15 and the rank is 1 out of 1458. Percentile is 100%. And also you guys can see the time I have taken 16 minutes. Sorry, it's 7 minutes 16 seconds and the accuracy is 100%. Strength and weaknesses percentile is 100%. So this is it guys. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.